I wanted to make a video for some of you that have asked about caring for your brushes. It's really important that you keep them clean, especially since 3D Foundation and Seint's beauty products are cream-based. They can harbor bacteria, so it's really important that you take the time, pick a day of the week, once a week, to clean your brushes properly. Seint does make a really great product to clean your brushes. It's really great. It sanitizes them while it cleans them, and it also keeps the bristles moisturized. So that's a great recommendation. Now, the other thing that you can do, some of you have asked, is washing the brushes. Now, while it's not recommended because you don't want to get any water deep down into where they're bound together, you don't want to break up any of that glue. So what I like to do is every once in a while, maybe, I don't know, every few months, maybe longer, every 3 to 4, 5 months or so, I love one of these little gadgets. It's this little rubber gadget. You could probably find it at your local beauty store, Sally Hansen, Sephora, Ulta, but you could also find them often. That's usually where I get them at a really good deal, is your discount store, your Marshalls, your TJ Maxx, that kind of place. So using just a little water and really carefully, what I like to do is you have options of, there are brush cleaners out there. Bare Minerals makes a good one. And if you have good skincare products or, good body products, you can use those as well. This is a Castile soap. I like to use that in the shower. So this would be a good option. I'm going to use some of that right now because I actually ran out of the Bare Minerals that I like. So I am wetting it. Let me see if I can move the phone. Just a very, sorry, I'm not doing a good job, tip of it. You don't want to drench the entire thing. And then I just put a little soap on this little rubber guy. It's like a mini washboard. Some of you probably have no idea what that is, but I actually remember my grandma having one. And you just want to swirl it around. I don't know if you can see all the product coming off. So you just want to basically do that until, and maybe add a little more water, rinse it off until it rinses clear. And again, just being very careful not to get that water all the way up into the area where the bristles are put together. Okay, did this side, squeeze it out, the water's clear. And I'm just going to use my hand towel, pretend that it's a clean towel because it's not. Normally you should have a clean towel. You just want to dry them off, and you just leave them. I love to leave them by the windowsill, especially in the warmer months. Just let it air dry. Pretty much dries overnight. The denser ones might take a little longer. So you definitely want to plan a little bit when you're not going to be needing your brushes. So I usually do it after I finish using them, like in the morning, and then let them sit all day and then overnight into the next day. So the way the spray works is you can spray that right onto your brush. It smells really good too. Take a clean surface. I do it on a washcloth. You can do it, sometimes people do it on just like on a piece of paper, and you just want to swirl around till it's clean. I'll do that again, but just for the video. But the other product is all gone. And the really nice thing about this is it does keep your bristles nice and soft and conditioned. I said moisturized. Condition is the word that I was looking for. The other thing that's important to do, again, because we want to keep our products sanitary, is just every once in a while take your compact and clean it. You can do that with the washcloths. Sometimes I just use bit of tissue paper. If you've never heard of Norwex cloths, I'm a super big fan of those. I use these for my whole house and all over. I'm just going to put in a plug for this company. They are microfiber cloths, but they're not just any microfiber cloths. They're embedded with silver ions, which are known to neutralize and kill bacteria. So just by wiping with the Norwex is like using a Lysol wipe without the chemicals. 0 ingredients. You just use water. Once in a while I might use something else, but I make sure that it's a good product and it's non-toxic. So these are really great too to tidy up your compacts. And don't forget about your perfector sponge. Same. You just want to wet it like you normally do. And you can use a good cleanser, but I pretty much use this every day when I use my perfector sponge. You just want to squish out any color that's in there, run it under water until it runs clear, just like your brushes, and you're good to go. The final tip I want to give you, which has nothing to do with cleaning, but it's a really good tip, and I wish somebody had told me at the beginning. Guess not everybody knew about it. When you get your tins, which are, it's a little bit of a problem. I have this whole collection of lids because I hate to get rid of them. They're so cute. And one day I'm going to figure out what to do with them all because I tend to be a little bit crafty. But after you pop this into your compact, this is a backup color. Save your, you don't have to have a collection, but save 1 or 2 of them because they're really great to take your, I can't do it, tilting it, pop your tin out if you need it without having to dig into it and maybe taking the risk of getting your finger in it and messing it up. So those are some little tips. Hope they help. Have a great day.